Now, if suppose I want to search the employee whose name starting with character V, how to do that? Let's go to db.employee collection dot find for finding some stuff, and inside that you need to provide a JSON. I want to search the employee whose first name is starting with character V. So this is going to give me the employee whose name starts with capital V, and there is one record. If you are not interested in the record and you want only the count, then you can replace pretty with count. So you will get number of count for that. That is one. There is only one record with the given search item. Now you can replace this logic of searching that we have just done with the standard regular expression syntaxes. How to do that and what is regular expression? Regular expression is the sequence of character that defines a search pattern. If you search in Google regular expression for email address, regular expression for Indian PAN card, regular expression of Indian Aadhaar card, and so on, you will get the series of characters, set of characters, and those set of characters are matched with the actual inputs from the user. If the input match, it returns true or false. So the same scenario you can apply here while working with the MongoDB. MongoDB supports regular expression while searching. So what you need to do is, if you want to search for the record whose first name is similar to certain regular expression, you need to provide JSON with the field name fname, and after that for the value provide one more JSON within this curly brace. So here you need to provide dollar regex for working with the regular expression, and after this you need to provide the regular expression that you are looking for. So for example, I want to search for the employee whose name ends with say JA. What I'll do is I'll write JA with the forward slash and dollar before the termination of forward slash. So it is like this, but instead of that you need to provide dollar. It will search the employee whose name ends with J. Let's search, and the record is Pooja having the last characters as J. So this is how you can search for the regular expression. There are many different search expression, regular expression available online. You can search for the numbers only, you can search for the capital letters only, you can search for the small letters only, and so on. Email address, website address, PAN address, and PAN number, and so on. So now let's search the employee whose first two letters is RA. So how to deal with that? In front of regex operator, you need to provide your regular expression. Say if I want to search the employee with the name RA, starting with name RA, I can provide it. So for now, I'll provide it with the small letter just to check whether it searched data or not. The record not appeared because within a database, we have name Raj with R capital. So if you want to search this way and fetch the record Raj with capital R, you need to write I in a regular expression. Within a regular expression, this I stands for ignore case. It means that check the characters, don't look for their cases. So if you run enter, it will search the record. So that is the difference between this regular expression and this one. If you are doing something like this, it will search for the exact case, and if you do something like this, it will ignore the case and search the data. Okay, so this is how you can work with the regular expression. You can provide some more data within a regular expression as well. So stay tuned. Thanks.